The new upcoming iPhone 14 likely to feature 30-watt fast charging. You see right now the iPhone 13 Pro charges at 25 watt. The 13 Pro Max charges at 27 watt when connected to a 30-watt power adapter from Apple. But the iPhone 14 Pro variants will be able to charge at max speed of 30 watt for the first time. 30 watt would not make a world of difference, but it surely is a step in the right direction. Reportedly, Apple plans to change the port to USB-C in next year with its iPhone 15 series. We might see even faster charging speed since USB-C is faster than a Lightning port. While Apple hasn't dropped any hints about the upcoming products, we do know for sure that new iPhones are on the way. It's being said that the regular model will be a minor upgrade over the iPhone 13. But the Pro variants will receive major changes. While most of the specifications are already out, and here are some of the features that might get you more excited about the new version. These could be astrophotography, satellite connectivity, and more. According to Cool, Apple has finished the hardware-level implementation of this satellite feature, and it is ready on their end. It all now depends on the business side of the things, which is the implementation with the partners. Apple is collaborating with Global Star for the satellite connectivity feature. The satellite feature, which is said to be called emergency message via satellite internally, will allow users of compatible iPhone to send SOS message to first responders in case they are in places like the mountain or sea. A corresponding feature, according to the report, is designed to let iPhone users report emergencies like plane crashes and shootings. Ming Chick has confirmed another long-awaited feature, which is a new ultra-wide-angle lens, which is finally coming to the iPhone 14 series with autofocus and improved low-light performance. Another feature that iPhone 14 series is expected to get is Astrophotography Mode. Apple has sent out invites for the event, and the banner has a space theme, which suggests that the new iPhone might have an astrophotography feature too. Bloomberg reports that there are two satellite features, one for messaging in the Messages app and another for major emergencies, where it will give a more direct voice reporting mechanism. The iPhone 14 Pro Max coming with 6.78 inches ProMotion OLED display. We expecting 120Hz LTPO display with a resolution of 1284 by 2778, giving us 458 pixels per inch. On the front we get a 12 megapixel punch or selfie camera with Face ID under the display. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.